Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends using Supercell IDs. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to any one of the Supercell's game. Here in instance, I'm using Squad Busters. Now in the game, just go to your Supercell ID. It's usually located in the settings options. Here just open up your Supercell ID. Once your Supercell ID page loads up, you can see an add button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. Now you'll be taken to add friends page. Now you can add players by using their Supercell ID, or you can just scan their QR code. Here I'm gonna show you how to add friends using Supercell ID. So just tap on add friends with player ID. Now put in your friend's player ID in the text box. Once you put in your friend's player ID, just tap on search. And your friend's ID should load up. If you want to add them as a friend, just tap on OK. Now you can see here it's written pending in the top right corner of my screen. That shows I'm waiting for my friend to accept my friend request. And that's it on how to add friends with Supercell ID. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.